Visiting Holyhead, Citizens' Advice. Instructions for collecting a COVID-19 lateral flow test kit. Please arrive at the office at your designated appointment time. Appointments for LFT kits can be made by calling 01407 762 278. Please knock on the front door and wait to be let into the hall area. You must be wearing a mask unless you are exempt. In the hall area, there is sanitising, hand gel and masks for you to use should you not have one with you. Your lateral flow test kits will be available to collect from the hall area with minimal contact. Visiting the Citizens' Advice Bureau offices. If you require additional advice, you'll be taken to a spacious reception area following the positioned foot markers. Your temperature will be taken prior to entering the main reception, and you will be asked to give your details to present to the track and trace system. Chairs are positioned to ensure social distancing, and you will be seen by an advisor from a screened off area.